welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you saw in the title, I'm gonna do a video about makeup brushes for beginners, because I consider myself a beginner, even though I've been doing makeup for like a few years now. I think since 2015 I got the white spots called Milia on my face, and I kind of lost the interest for makeup, and I feel like my skills just went down the drain really. So I feel like I'm restarting, so yeah, I consider myself a beginner. Let's get started with this video, and I'm just gonna apply, like I said before, I don't have any makeup on, so I'm gonna apply the primer water. It's from Berry-M, just a spray. Damn, child. Ooh, that was all. So yeah, first one, I'm gonna show you guys what I have here. So it's from Brushworks HD. This is how they look. I actually love the colors, like pink, purple. They look like they're going to last. So yeah, let's unpack them. This is how they look, and I actually find it very helpful for a beginner when on the brush it says what they made for. Like this one is foundation and this one is for concealer, and also it's very informative. Like on the package it does shows like the face and where you have to apply and how to apply. Basically it has like information here. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the foundation. So usually that's what I use, the Bare Minerals foundation in Bare Maple 17. So yeah, gonna drop. So I want to show you guys how the application is. It's like a smooth application. So ooh, okay. Can you guys see the difference? Because I definitely can. So my old foundation brush was this one, as you can see. Yeah, I didn't like this one very much because of the angle. It does say here foundation brush, but it looks more for a highlighting contour because of the angle, so you can kind of go like that. But for foundation, really, this is the best. Look how good it is. So should I do just like one side so we can kind of compare? Because this is the side where I don't have makeup. You can see my imperfections here. And this is the side which I applied the foundation with the new brush. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this one for concealer. guys. I do like this. As you can see, it did blend really good, the concealer. So no makeup and makeup. Also also got these ones from Amazon, the sponge. So you guys know how to use this. It's really helpful as well. It blends really good. It's good for beginners too. And all you have to do is just wet them. Make sure they look, because when you wet them, it's gonna get bigger. And yeah, just take the water excess, and yeah, you're ready to use. Like right now, I didn't even wet them, but just to show you guys how to use it. This sponge is also very good for blending. On the eyes, you can use this part here. Just go like that. Yeah. So next, what I'm gonna open is these two brushes from Eco, So Eco, and as you can see, they all about cruelty free and vegan. They also have here how to use and what is it good for, like they explain. So this one is an eye shading brush. Yep, and then you have the multitasking brush. So yeah, let's unpack them. Yes, this is how they look. This is really cute. So this one says it's for eye shading brush, but I'm gonna use it now just to cut crease. You know, I'm not very good at cut crease, but I will try it. Like, I'm gonna do this. Just wanna show you guys how it's gonna work, because it's kind of flat. Kiko Milano on my eyes, and it's Dark Treasure, so it's a metal foil eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna tap. I'm gonna try the multitasking brush with some blush. Okay, so now what's next? It's this brush from Sport Fix. I think that's how you say Sport FX. And it's for highlights and contour. It's a dual-ended brush. And it says perfectly applies liquids, creams and powders for flawless highlights and contour. So we can unpack now. This one, because it's really easy, I'll just do it right now. So yeah, so I believe this one is for contour, because it kind of looks like my old foundation brush, which I'm gonna start using for contour as well. Be good. Let me see, I have here from Slick, the contour kit, but it's so used, like I used so many times, can't even. So I'm gonna use the contour, the powder, and go like this, and yeah. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Can you guys see any difference? Because I can definitely see the contour. Okay, just go around like that. My forehead. Should I put a bit more? I don't wanna apply too much and then it looks ridiculous. Well, I want to show you guys how good this brush is. First time using this brush. Let me see on my nose. Okay. And now some highlighter. I have here, this was supposed to be the highlighter, but it's being used so much. I think if we can still use a little bit. Don't think you can properly see it, so I'm gonna try to use different highlighter. Let's just do this and try to blend. Ooh, okay. Wow, this is way better application than the old brushes that I own. So yes, this is what it did, guys. My eyes. So this side I have makeup. It looks pretty good to me, and this side I don't. So yeah. And that's it for today. I will definitely put the names and where I got them from. Yes, and that's all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it's helpful for all my beginners out there. And see you on my next video. Have a good day. Bye.